Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to get a tax refund on Cash App. To begin, open your Cash App and go to the home screen. On the main page, you will find an option for free tax filing. Tap on it to access the Cash App Taxes section. Once you're in this section, you'll see an option to estimate your tax refund. Tap on Estimate Your Refund to proceed. Here, you will be asked to enter details about your income, taxes paid, and other relevant information. This could include your yearly earnings, deductions, and credits. If you have a pay stub or any other documentation with your income details, you can use that information to provide accurate inputs. The system will calculate an estimate of your refund based on the data you provide. Cash App Taxes offers free and accurate calculations for your tax filing needs. It is completely free from start to finish. The service includes features like a maximum refund guarantee, accurate calculations, and even free audit defense. If you need more information, you can check their FAQ section, which provides additional details about using the service. You can also reach out to Cash App support if you have specific questions or encounter any issues. That's it. That's how you can solve how to get a tax refund on Cash App. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.